As manufacturing has evolved, they've been able to take multiple pieces that would be a typical assembly and design parts that are a single part with all those features combined. The issue with this, though, is some of those features now that are hidden in the back of the part will show through on the front of the part. With texture, we've been able to effectively camouflage those flaws in the manufacturing process, so now manufacturers are able to condense down to the singular parts. There's also the issues of, in assembly, you have plastic on plastic. Those parts will be moving, it'll squeak, it'll rattle. We'll be using fabric, adhesive at that point of contact to limit that noise. What texture can do is if we selectively texture those areas, we can now limit the points of contact, helping to eliminate the squeak and rattle, but also from a sustainability aspect, remove that fabric, remove the adhesive from the manufacturing process. Overall, it's just quite a few opportunities to really offer sustainability and options to our customers.